like, what's else that can go wrong? Oh, Alexa's getting involved. Can you get me a wet towel? And I ran out of bleach. Hi everyone, welcome to Claire's Corner. Today it's a bit of a different video because I am going to be attempting to not just bleach my hair, but I'm going to try and give myself highlights. I'm not obviously brave enough to just go fully bleached, so I'm going to attempt to do some highlights and see how that goes. Now I feel like I've watched hairdressers highlight my hair a million times, so we're going to see how well this goes. So I've got some brushes and a pot, got a comb with that thing, and got bleach as well as toner, and if not, well, hopefully it gives you a few laughs and I'll just have to live with terrible hair until the hairdresser's open. Okay, so I feel like I've watched YouTube videos and watched my hairdressers, so I feel like I can do this. I want to say excited, but I'm also slightly scared. So the bowl isn't actually big enough because I've now got to put all of this in. So the next thing I could find was a Chinese takeaway dish, so I'll be using that. As obviously I don't want to use a... Oh, Alexa's getting involved. Can you get me a wet towel? I'm trying to fold it up like they do in the hairdressers. So I think I've done that bit, now I need to do the sides. Oh no, this isn't going to be good, is it? After all that, my arms are aching and everything. Yeah, I'm just going to have to bleach my whole head. Okay. To be fair, at least it's forcing me to try something that I probably wouldn't have done any other way. Okay, so I'm going to put a plastic bag around my head. I don't know why it helps, but apparently it does. I'm going to leave this on for about half an hour to 45 minutes, then wash it off and pray that a miracle happens, because I'm not sure how this is going to turn out in the slightest. So yeah, now I appreciate hairdressers quite a lot more. Highlights clearly not my forte. Okay, so the dial's on for about 45-50 minutes, and then I put a toner on for about half an hour, and I have done a hair mask, so my hair's not completely dead. And what I thought would happen happened, and I ran out of bleach, so it hasn't covered all of my hair, and it's really patchy. But I haven't actually looked at it since I've taken off the toner, so let's have a look. Okay. Yeah. You can see like where my roots were and then like where the colour was before. I'm gonna go to the shop now and buy some more bleach. Just to kind of go over it, and then we'll have a full picture of what it actually looks like. And then I might go and just dye it dark again because yeah, not quite sure. Well, if there's any time to do it, it's in lockdown. Okay, so it's the day after, and I'm looking very much like a golden retriever, very, very light pale blonde. So I'm going to put that on and give that a go, and hopefully as well, obviously, for the coverage. And we'll see how that looks, and yeah, like I said yesterday, if there's any time to do it, it's in lockdown, so. If I don't laugh, I think I might cry. So I'm going to leave this on 30 minutes and see how that goes. Okay, so washed it all off, and I guess it's time to have a look at it and see if it's worked or whether I'm going to need to do it another time. To do it again. Oh no. I feel like here it looks really good. This is how I want all of it to look. But okay, well I'm just going to, and it hasn't, look at that, it's still not. So I think what I need to do is bleach it again and then put that kind of white pearl blonde colour on. Oh, it looks so yellow. So yellow. So I feel like it's slightly less orange, but it's still quite yellow, so I'm going to have to do it again. I should have just bought two at the shop when I was there earlier. I also don't know whether I'm just too pale. Whether the white hair is just too pale for my skin. So maybe I just need to stop fake tanning forever if I keep my hair this light, which is a lot of effort. Okay, so changed my mind and I went a slightly different way. Yeah. So I decided to just go for pink because why not? Not what I planned at all, but I actually kind of love it. No, it's not going to last forever. It'll probably just be till I can get to the hairdressers, but I just thought, why not? We're in lockdown, let's be a bit adventurous. And then when I get to the hairdressers, they're absolutely going to hate me and tell me that I've completely ruined my hair and it's going to take forever to colour normally. But I just thought, why not? I love this kind of pastel-y, pinky, almost rose goldy type colour. So yeah. This is not the blonde highlights I set out to do by any means, but Barry absolutely loves it. And it'll probably just be for a few months, but why not? Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed my absolute disaster, and I hope to see you in my next video.